Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial. Today we'll explore data types in NumPy arrays and how to convert between them. In this tutorial, we'll delve into the Dtype attribute for identifying data types and using it to explicitly set the data type for an array. We will discuss the Astype method for seamless conversions. We'll also cover how to handle potential conversion errors and discuss common scenarios where data type conversions are essential. Let's get started. NumPy arrays are powerful tools for numerical computing in Python. They can store various data types, including integers, floating point numbers, booleans, and strings. Understanding these data types is crucial for efficient data manipulation and analysis. Let's create a sample NumPy array containing integers and floating point numbers. We can use the Dtype attribute to check the data type of the array. In this example, the array's data type is float64 as it contains both integers and floating point numbers. NumPy automatically upcasts the integers to floats to maintain a consistent data type within the array. NumPy offers a wide range of data types including int32, int64, float32, float64, boolean string. You can specify the desired data type when creating an array using the Dtype parameter. Here we explicitly set the data type to int32, ensuring that the array stores only integers. Often you'll need to convert NumPy array data types for compatibility with different functions or libraries. NumPy provides the Astype method for this purpose, which takes an array and converts it to the desired type. Let's see an example. In this code, we convert a floating point array to an integer array using Astype. Note that this conversion truncates the decimal part of the floats. Sometimes data type conversions may result in errors if the data is incompatible. For example, converting a string array containing non-numeric characters to an integer array will raise a value error. In such cases, you'll need to handle the exception or pre-process the data before conversion to ensure compatibility. Let's look at some common data type conversion scenarios. You might need to convert strings to numbers for numerical analysis or convert numbers to strings for text processing. Let's see an example that works. This example demonstrates converting strings to integers and floats to strings respectively. It was possible because the string array only contained digits. In this tutorial, we covered NumPy array datatypes and how to use the Dtype attribute to identify datatypes. We also discussed how to convert between datatypes using the Astype function and how to handle potential conversion errors. We also saw an example of successful conversion between datatypes. Remember, choosing the right datatypes for your data and operations is essential for efficient and accurate numerical computing in Python. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Also, check out the website DelftStack.com for articles on Python tutorials.